I'm about to show you how to make better tutorials and training videos. So there are two tools that I'm going to use. They may be new to you, which will be really fun, and they are super easy to use. The first is going to be for a written tutorial, a written guide, and the second is going to be for video tutorials. If we've never met before, my name is Molly Mahoney, and I'm going to show you how to make magic happen. So let's get started with the written tutorial. We'll jump right in. It's going to be so good. You're going to love it because you'll be able to just do the thing that you want to teach and it will create the tutorial automatically. It's one of my favorite AI tools, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. Let's say I wanted to create a written guide on how to use Descript, the video editing tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create what's called a Tango. And I was just logging into my account to look at my the pricing and everything. I can't believe I'm still on the free account because I love this so much. Apparently, I've only created just under 15 tangos, but when you tango more than that, that's when you have to start paying. It's only $20 a month for the pro version if you want more than 15 of these. I love this tool. Let me show you how it works. So over here, you can see that we are now in Descript, and up in my browser bar, I'm going to click the little Tango extension. And what happens is this little thing right here pops up on the side. I hit Start Capture and then watch. I'm going to bounce around doing exactly whatever I would be doing. So you can do this for your team. You can do it for your clients. If you're teaching them how to do things, it's really awesome. I'm going to do what I would usually do if I was in here creating a Descript video or editing a Descript video, right? So I'm going to go to New Project, Video Project, and notice what's happening over on the right-hand side. It's creating the guide. So then I'm going to go to upload a file, or I could paste a YouTube video. So maybe I go over to my YouTube, and all of this is going to be recorded into the side. I go, and let's say that I bring in this video on how to create. I'm going to grab the share link. Did that not work? Come on. Why aren't you working? I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to grab the link from up here. I'm going to come back over to Descript. I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to hit go. And every single thing that I do is happening over here on the right-hand side. Now, let's say I went through and I finished this video training. When I'm done, I'm going to hit this little check mark right here, and it's going to automatically create the whole entire thing. So now I'll join you on camera again. Check this out. Import your YouTube video into Descript. That's exactly what I was doing. And then I can actually edit it. So in here, I can come in. This is all looking good. Click on import URL. Go get your video, right? Click on, now this is not right. We don't need to click on 57 seconds. So I'm going to just delete that part. I don't need that. Right. I'm going to show here how you're going to get the link. Just going to delete that. And instead of saying this YouTube link, I'll edit this and say, paste your YouTube link into input. So super, super easy. And then you can share it, export it. You can put it on a blog post. It's seriously, seriously awesome. I love it so much. And it is so easy. Now that's the way to do a written tutorial. Let's move into how to do a video tutorial. And this is going to be very meta because I'm going to use the tool that I'm actually using right now. It is called Tella, and I am so ridiculously obsessed with it. I've only recorded 4 videos with this. It is my new favorite way to record video tutorials. So I used to use Descript or Loom for this, but what I love about Tella is it's not going to get lost in the white noise. Okay, I'm actually recording this one right now while we're talking. So I'm going to show you on this one that I've already done how it works. So when you record into, let me see, can I edit it? Yes. Okay, when you record into the platform, it will actually record you and the screen at the same time. And you can record. One thing that I love is you can record these different clips at the bottom. So if I mess something up, I just stop the recording, I start it again, and I have all these little clips. That way it makes it super easy for my editor or for me to come back in and edit it. Now, when I'm in here editing the clips, I have to show you something that is so incredibly cool. I can go to these clips and I can decide how I want it to be laid out. So with this layout, if I go add manually, I actually came down here to the bottom and there's these layouts. Oops, not the bottom, just right here. There's these layouts that are for your camera. So you can have this full screen or you can zoom in like that. But when I want it to do my screen sharing, it can actually give you all of these different layouts. Let me actually show it to you back on that one. Watch. All of these different layouts are possible. So it's going to look totally different than a regular Loom video. And my favorite part of it is you're recording a video tutorial. The hardest part about that is editing it after the fact. They've already made it so easy. Just like in Descript, you can edit with the text using this tool. But what I think is even cooler is that when you come here into your clip, whatever you're going to do, you click layout and then you click auto layouts. Watch this. It automatically made all of these choices. I seriously can't even believe it. You may have already watched this video because I have it out there as a tutorial, but watch the layout changes. Even just that, the transition was so awesome. Continue watching at the end of this little layout change, which again, I did not decide. AI did it for me. So it picked up on the fact that I was no longer focused on the screen share, that I was focused on you. And it automatically gave us that edit, which this video that you're watching right now probably just did the same thing. And now I'm going to move behind the scenes. Watch, when I disappear from the camera, it's going to know to go focus on my tutorial. Watch. Okay, so when I come over here, check this one out. I really was excited about this. When I said the words, let's get started at let's go at the end of this, watch how it does a jump cut automatically. I did not do this. It was all AI. That little jump cut was the perfect thing. The transition was perfect. That's exactly what I would have wanted right there. Watch this one. So it sees that I'm looking down and I'm not actually looking to the camera and it just takes me off screen. Watch this. It brings me back on screen. I'm still looking down, but whatever. I'm stoked that it's actually knowing that we want some differences. Like, look at this one. It did that all on its own. I am obsessed. Okay, so this tool is called Tella. I'll show you the final thing with it. Over here on the right, you can do all different kinds of things like background layouts. So let's go back to this beginning one here. In the background, not background layouts, but background styles, you can do animated, full color. You can upload your own. You can mirror it, like switch the side. And then in the border, you can decide whether you want it to be rounded or squared. And in the subtitles, you can decide what style of subtitle, but then you can also come in here and edit it in here. Seriously, so awesome. You can crop the video if you want to cut part of it out. You can go back and redo it. I just am so amazed. I love it so much. And then also I skipped at the very top. You can trim, which is really easy. It just, rather than deleting it so you never get access to it again, if you trim the video, it just kind of makes it invisible. But if you want to bring it back, you can. Like this. Watch. If I wanted to split, and then let's say I deleted this section. Do you see how it's still there? So I can bring it back. Pretty dang awesome. Okay, I'll have a link for you to go get this because it's so worth it. Amazing. Now you know exactly how to record tutorials with the help of AI using Tango and Tella. Bye.